Guys, let's unbox this package. So I'm gonna just open it. Box cutter. Okay. Hopefully she's opened. Put you guys down. Don't mind all the extra noises. I just want to do this in a one shot and kind of just get it done. Okay. So, ooh, I'm excited. Okay. Let me see if I can. No, I can't turn it on. But it's a big box. There's stuff in here that are not specifically nails, but it's mostly nails. So we have the rhinestone glue from Markart. We have our our builder gel. We have our top coat. We have our jelly base colors from Beetles, and I got 2 of those by accident, but it's okay. Okay, that's not it. Got these nail art brushes, liner brushes. That's not one. Melody Susie drill bits. I learned that these are actually not good, but it's okay. I'm not going to be using these on actual people. I got, let's see, the prep and dehydrator, or the primer and dehydrator from Moravon. Bags for my press-on nails. Ooh, girl. Okay. My new Melody Susie drill. I'm excited. And then I'll open all this up too. And then big ol' sets of 100 gel polish. This is what I was talking about. So let me just put this down real quick. Then we'll get to the unboxing. Okay. Hopefully you guys are able to see me. Let's see. Okay. So we'll start with the drill. Melody Susie nail drill. Okay. Hopefully I could open this in the one go. No, today I had to move all of my nail stuff from the shed into my room because I didn't know that your stuff could break. Okay, I'm struggling. One sec, let me ask my husband for help. I got somewhat of a better view. So I got the 8 series SC300F nail drill from Melody Susie. Got our little instructions. She's so pretty. Okay. Which I'm not gonna open her just yet, so I just wanted to see what she looked like. Wanted you guys to see what she looked like. I caught that. Anyways. Okay, I'll open the rest of this later. Let me see. The rhinestone glue, I opened it just to make sure it was 2 in there, like I ordered. Love this rhinestone glue. Got our stuff from, I can't say this brand name, but, so, this is, yeah, our diamond top coat. I ran out of this good stuff. Awesome top coat. And then we have can't open it. I can't open none of these today. Okay, well, this is the builder drill that I use, which you guys see it in the videos, but I am excited for these. Let's see what these look like. And I am going to be swatching all of these, and I still have more coming tomorrow. This is part 1. And I'm just going to throw all of this. Okay, so got all of this, trying to unpackage it. I don't know why I'm struggling with all the boxing today, but I am, so. Trying to get it fully done and unpackaged. Okay. Okay, I got it. 1 second. I'm back. So, it's 6 colors in here. And these are all jelly colors, which I'm so excited for all of these. I don't know if you guys, yeah. And that's what the other one is too, it's the same thing. Let me open this plastic off camera, 1 second. Okay, I got it open. Again, from Moravon. We got our primer and dehydrator. I love Moravon. Such a good brand. The drill bits go with the Melody Susie drill. Let's open this bad boy. Again. Okay, let me take the plastic film off. Okay. So, ooh, girl. I bought this because I needed some yellows, but this is her. We got all of the beautiful colors in there. There we go. And then I'm going to be swatching all of these. Got matte, top coat, another top coat, base coat, another base coat. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys. And I will be doing another one tomorrow, so stay tuned. Bye, guys.